Pronouns are words that replace nouns to avoid repetition. So instead of saying, Maria said that Maria will bring Maria's book, we can say, she said that she will bring her book. Let's have a look at the different kinds of pronouns that exist in English. Personal pronouns replace the names of people or things. They change form depending on person, number, and case, which can be divided between subject or object. I love reading. Can you help me? She called him yesterday. We saw them at the park. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. They stand alone and we don't put anything afterwards. Is this pencil yours? The red car is hers and the green one is theirs. The house on the corner is ours. Reflexive pronouns show that the subject and the object are the same person or thing. I taught myself to play guitar. She looked at herself in the mirror. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. The cat cleaned itself. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things or people. They tell us which one or which ones. This is my favorite film. That looks delicious. These are new shoes. Those were great times. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Who is your teacher? Whom did you call? Whose jacket is this? Which is your car? What is your name? Relative pronouns connect a dependent clause to a main clause and give more information about a noun. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. The book that you lent me was excellent. The man whose car was stolen called the police. The film which we saw was funny. Indefinite pronouns refer to people or things in a general or non-specific way. Someone left their umbrella here. Everyone is excited for the trip. Few understood the question. Many were invited, but only some came. Nothing can stop us now. Reciprocal pronouns show a shared action or feeling. The two friends hugged each other. The players congratulated one another after the match. Emphatic pronouns look the same as reflexive pronouns, but they emphasize the subject, not the action. I myself baked this cake. The president himself signed the letter. She herself fixed the problem. Great work, everyone! Remember to leave your comments below. Like and subscribe to the Revision Station for more videos. Okay, bye-bye.